Sloka, IB Masters Learning Center and IBMasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 6, Section 1, number 30, which reads, in describing squash bees as indifferent, line 68, the author most likely means that they what? So, a little vocabulary helps here. If you know indifferent means you don't care one way or the other, that could be helpful for this question, but you still may be able to get it based on the context. So let's go to the paragraph now. Notice it is line 68. Here's the word indifferent. But remember, for any line reference question, you want to read before and after the line. Typically, that's going to be really helpful to answering the question. It begins, what they saw was double the normal number of beetles on fragrance-enhanced blossoms. So definitely the beetles like the fragrance-enhanced blossoms. Pollinators, to their surprise, did not prefer the highly scented flowers. Squash bees were indifferent, and honeybees visited enhanced flowers less often than normal ones. So it sounds like it's two different things here. This is, if you don't know indifferent, it means you don't care one way or the other. It sounds like squash bees have a different response than honeybees. Otherwise, it would just say squash bees and honeybees are indifferent, or squash bees and honeybees visit enhanced flowers less often than normal ones. Goes on, Theus thinks that the bees were repelled not by the fragrance itself, but by the abundance of beetles. The data shows the more beetles on a flower, the less likely a honeybee was to visit it. So they were repelled by the honeybees, not by the enhanced fragrance. Answer is A, could not distinguish between the enhanced flowers and normal flowers. Now, it doesn't say that. It does say that they didn't like the beetles being on the flowers. Answer is B, visited enhanced flowers and normal flowers at an equal rate. Now, when it says indifferent, it's talking about the squash bees. We know it's not talking about the honeybees. The honeybees visit them less often, so answer choice B looks legit. We're going to check out the other answer choices, though. Answer choice C, largely preferred normal flowers to enhanced flowers. That's not going to be the correct answer either, because it does not talk about them visiting normal flowers much more than enhanced flowers. Again, if it was talking about the honeybees were visiting the enhanced flowers less often. Answer choice D, were as likely to visit beetle-infested enhanced flowers as to visit beetle-free enhanced flowers. Answer choice D is wrong, and we know that based on these last two sentences, that the bees were repelled not by the fragrance, but by so many beetles. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with these types of line reference questions. Is there any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. By the way, the answer here is B. They're indifferent. They don't care one way or the other. They visited the enhanced and normal flowers at an equal rate. Have a great day.